देशातल्या कांय राज्यांनी प्रायव्हेट एजन्सी पॉवर सप्लाय करता. आतां गोंयांतूय ती सिस्टम येवपाच्या वाटेर. टाटा पॉवर कंपनीन JERC कडेन वीज वितरण लायसनाक अर्ज केला. स्थानीक संस्थांची NOC नाशिल्ल्यान प्रक्रिया होल्डार दवरून NOC हाडची म्हूण JERCन टाटा पॉवर कंपनीक सांगिल्लें. ते फाटभुंयेचेर टाटा पॉवर कंपनीन खंय NOC मेळोवंक पंचायत पालिका कडेन अर्ज केल्यात. स्थानीक संस्थांनी NOC दिवची न्हय म्हूण गोवा सरकाराचो उलो. मजगतीं JERC हे विशयी विचारल्यार ते कितें सांगता आयकात.
Actually, I have to check. There is an amendment that was being proposed in the Electricity Act 2003, under which there was a proposal of parallel licensing. So I have to check what happened to that amendment. But according to the proposed amendment, there was a proposal to incorporate more than one licensees for the same area of supply. In theory, for the same area, a consumer will have option take power either from the incumbent electricity department or some new licensee may have come to supply the electricity based on the financial viability. Currently, this thing is applicable in Mumbai. In Mumbai, there are multiple licenses, so there are options to take power from licensees like MSEDCL is the incumbent licensee, but if a customer wants, he can also take power from either Adani or Reliance. The customer will be able to decide.
अजून खंय टाटा पॉवर कंपनीक परमिशन दिवंक ना. जर मेळ्ळें जाल्यार टाटा पॉवर आनी गोंय सरकाराचे वीज खातें वीज वितरण करतले. कोणा कडच्यान घेवची हो निर्णय खंय लोकांचो आसतलो. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.